Did you know that the digital artist Beeple sold an NFT collage of his work for $69 million in March 2021, which left him the third most expensive living artist at auction? If this has got you wondering just how significant an NFT item is, you've come to the right place. Hello everybody and welcome back to Investor Info. In today's video we are going to be looking at the basics of NFT that you should know. Let's get started. So, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital currencies that are known to be one of a kind. They can be used to symbolize both physical and abstract objects. Non-fungible tokens are digital currencies with unique identifiers stored in smart contracts. Each of them is unique due to this information, and as a result, they cannot be substituted by another token. Because no two NFTs are identical, they cannot be switched like for like. Banknotes, on the other hand, can be exchanged for one another provided they are of equal worth. The possessor will not notice the difference between, for example, $1 bill and another. Bitcoin is a token that may be exchanged for other currencies. You can give one Bitcoin to someone and they can transfer one back to you, and you'll still have a single Bitcoin. But of course, the value of Bitcoin may fluctuate during the exchange process. Because fungible tokens are divisible, you can also transmit or acquire tiny portions of one Bitcoin, measured in satoshis. Generally, these tokens are not transferable in the same sense that you cannot give someone a portion of a concert ticket. A portion of a concert ticket would be worthless and unredeemable on its own. However, some investors have been experimenting with the concept of fractionalized NFTs in recent months, even though they remain a tricky subject. Some of the earliest NFTs were CryptoKitties collectibles. Each CryptoKitty is a blockchain-based digital kitten, so if you give someone a CryptoKitty and receive one from someone else, the CryptoKitty you receive will be completely different from the one you sent. The goal of the game is to collect various digital cats. Essentially, a token's unique information, such as a CryptoKitties, is saved in its smart contract and recorded on the token's blockchain. CryptoKitties started out as ERC-721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, but they've since moved to their own public ledger, Flow, to make it easier for novices to get involved. So, what makes NFTs so special? Well, NFTs have distinct characteristics and are usually associated with a certain item. They can be used to establish ownership of digital assets such as gaming skins, all the way up to tangible goods. Other tokens like coins and banknotes can be redeemed for cash. Basically, fungible tokens are interchangeable and have the same properties and value. Well, why are people purchasing NFTs? People purchase them for a variety of reasons. One of the most basic reasons is that they desire to invest in a fresh and highly volatile asset. In 2021, the market for NFTs skyrocketed, and many collections had their values skyrocket. Some buyers choose to buy NFTs as a sort of digital art instead of gambling on their future value. Many individuals desire to own rare, authentic digital art as the world advances more and more towards a digital world in which we spend a lot of our interactions and time online. Others may purchase an NFT as a gift for someone they believe would enjoy it, and so on. The causes vary, but the fact is that the market is growing to be a significant one that should not be overlooked. So, how are NFTs used? NFTs can be used to distinguish digital assets from one another in order to show their worth or scarcity. Everything from digital land properties to artworks can be represented using them. The marketplaces are where they are bought and sold. While specialized marketplaces like OpenSea have long dominated the field, some of the most well-known Bitcoin exchanges have recently entered the space. Binance established its own NFT marketplace in June 2021, while Coinbase unveiled its own marketplace in October 2021, with more than 1.4 million users joining the waitlist in just the first 24 hours. Now, you're probably wondering, how do NFTs work? Well, before we answer that question, please be sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on all of the exciting content we have in store. Your support truly makes the difference in helping our channel grow, so thank you so much. But okay, how do NFTs work? Non-fungible tokens and accompanying smart contracts enable the addition of detailed properties such as their owner's identity, rich metadata, and secure file links. The use of NFTs to verify digital ownership in an increasingly digital environment is a significant step forward. They could imagine blockchain's guarantee of trustless security being applied to nearly any asset's ownership or trade. Their protocols and smart contract technologies are still being developed, as is the case with blockchain to date. Therefore, developing decentralized applications and platforms for non-fungible token administration and creation is still a challenge. There's also the issue of establishing a standard. Various developers are working on their own blockchain projects, which makes blockchain development fragmented. So let us now jump to how you can purchase NFTs. Non-fungible tokens can be bought on a variety of NFT exchanges, including OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare. Here's how you can get your hands on some via Rarible. Step 1 is to go to Rarible's website and click the Connect button in the upper right corner. Log in using the account you want to link to the platform from here. Before you can log in, you must first agree to the terms of service. We'll use MetaMask, a popular online and mobile wallet in our example. Step 2. After you've signed in, explore the site for the NFT you want to buy. Click the Buy Now button before you've chosen the NFT that you want to buy. So now let's talk about the future of NFTs. For the time being, NFTs are primarily associated with artwork, gaming, and crypto collectibles. The Smurfs, Minecraft, and the BBC's Doctor Who have all been rendered as NFTs. They could be used in gaming to represent in-game objects such as skins, allowing them to be moved to other games or exchanged to other players. However, their potential is far greater. Examples include trademark and proprietary rights, ticketing, and the sale and trade of video games, music, and movies. Zero Contact, a thriller, was the first feature-length picture to be released as an NFT in September 2021, and Lockdown, a pandemic-themed thriller, followed suit a few weeks later. NFTs are also projected to play an important role in the metaverse, which is a shared virtual world in which the user interacts as 3D avatars. Meta, previously Facebook, Adidas, Nike, and Samsung are among the brands that have entered the metaverse, and more are anticipated to follow suit. In other metaverse platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox, NFTs are already being used to signify plots of virtual land and in-game commodities like avatar clothes. Additionally, they also have the potential to be used to create security tokens and to tokenize both digital and physical assets. Physical assets such as real estate might be tokenized to allow for fractional ownership. Even if just tokens indicating part ownership are sold, ownership of the asset is totally traceable and apparent if these tokens are non-fungible. Certification for credentials, software licensing, guarantees, and even birth and death certificates could all benefit from non-fungible tokens. A non-fungible token's smart contract verifies the recipient's or owner's identity and can be stored in an electronic wallet for easy access and representation. One day, every document, license, and asset we own could be stored in our digital wallets. So, let's offer some final thoughts on NFTs. It's not as difficult as you may imagine to buy and sell NFTs on OpenSea. However, be mindful that this field is rife with con artists, and pricing can be quite unpredictable. People have been known to lose a lot of money to hackers through scamming. Wash traders are everywhere in the NFT world, and inflate trading volume on specific items to make them more enticing to investors. In any case, keep in mind that this is a very new business that is mostly unregulated in the majority of nations. As a result, you must approach it as such and take the required procedures to safeguard your assets. And there you have it, folks. Now that we've discussed our NFT for Beginners guide, let us know in the comment section down below your thoughts on it. Would you be interested in purchasing an NFT, or would you rather see how the market plays out over the next few years? Nevertheless, remember to always do your research and make the most of your resources. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. See you in the next video!